In this video, we'll focus on step number 4, citing your sources. First, let's take a moment to briefly review what a citation style is and why it's important. A citation style provides a set of guidelines for formatting your paper, ensuring a clean and consistent layout that enhances readability for your audience. Also, it outlines specific rules for citing sources both within the body of your paper and on your list of references. At this point, you have completed your research, taken notes, and labeled the notes using your working outline. Use the following steps to start creating references and in-text citations. Step number 1. Determine what needs to be cited. Whenever you use information that you recorded in your research notes, it needs to be cited in your paper. This includes information that is quoted, paraphrased, or summarized. Other information that needs to be cited includes statistics, images, charts, or graphs that you did not create yourself. You do not need to cite your own thoughts, ideas, or conclusions. Step number 2. Create references. An APA-style reference includes 4 elements: author, date, title, and source information. Each element ends with a period unless it is a URL. Gather the following information before you begin to build references for the resources you plan to use in your research assignment. Author, date of publication, title of the book or article, publisher or website title, and URL if found online. Journal articles require additional information: the journal title, volume number, issue number, pages where the article appears, and DOI number if one exists. Let's examine a reference entry for a journal article. This color-coded reference clearly displays the 4 essential elements: author, date, title, and source. Although the format of your references may vary slightly depending on the type of source, they will all follow this same pattern. Step number 3. Create in-text citations. In-text citations indicate to your reader that information from external sources is being used in your paper. These citations appear in sentences that use sourced material, so be sure to create them now to have them ready when you write your research paper. Because they appear in the text of the paper, in-text citations are intentionally brief to maintain the flow of the paper. They are an abbreviated version of the full reference, typically including the author's name and the publication date. The purpose of an in-text citation is twofold. It not only signals to the reader that information from a source is being used, but also serves as a finding tool. By matching the first 2 elements of the reference, it allows readers to easily locate the full citation in the reference list. Let's look at an example of a parenthetical in-text citation for a paraphrase and a quotation. Both appear in parentheses at the end of a sentence, and both include the author's last name and the year that the resource was published. The in-text citation for a quotation includes one additional piece of information: the page in the source where the quoted material appears. Step number 4. Build the reference list. A reference list is a standalone page that appears at the end of your paper. This page provides comprehensive details about each cited source, providing your reader with enough information to retrieve it. According to APA guidelines, the page is titled References, and the entries are listed alphabetically. Let's look at an example reference list. The title of the page is References and is centered and bolded. Each reference entry is listed alphabetically. Notice the entire page is double-spaced and each entry has a hanging indent. Noodle Tools and Academic Writer are 2 tools that you can use to build references and format an APA-style reference list. Visit the Writing Lab for more information. Now that you've learned how to cite sources, what's next? In the final episode of Research Paper Bootcamp, we'll learn how to begin writing the paper itself. Do you still have some questions? Ask our team of librarians. Visit guides.rasmussen.edu/askalibrarian.